Cause this is the life of a dance. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad. I'm a father in the game like a dad, and I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. Yeah, the life. Hello, sons and daughters, I'm your long lost father. This is what I do, let me show you my artwork. You gotta love it, if you a hater, it's torture. Soon as I get my fame, my aim touch them all first. Cause I'm fresh like I came up out the...
What up guys, you don't know, this is Lord High the Dads from the Dads Life YouTube channel, and today is another collection video. Don't know, today is the big sunglasses collection. You don't know, you know brother, everything real, everything official. If it's not designer, it's just a fashion sunglasses, simple look. So today we'll be going through some vintage sunglasses as well as eyeglasses and just some of our favorites overall, fashion looks and just unique styles overall. So bless upon yourself, you know. Thanks for subscribing and thanks for viewing. Let's get right into it. So this is actually one of my favorite sunglasses. It's a vintage Versace, 90s style Versace sunglasses. Medusa head, the bubble eye shape on the front. Unique style. Everybody love this style. This is the era that Biggie was wearing the Versaces that get everybody into the Versaces. So this is one of the looks that everybody can't forget. 90s look, don't know. This is one of the newest sunglasses. I did the unboxing of this. This is one of their newest styles with the glitter on the side, the big Medusa head. Don't know, Versace again. It's a different vibe altogether. This is like where that coming from, the vintage. This is like new school. Everything is crazy in the new school. Glitter on the sides, the Medusa head twice as big. So you don't know, this is a different style altogether. Both of them Versace, but different style. So this is one of the newer looks that I had. I did the unboxing of this on the channel, so you can check that out as well. So this is maybe like in between. I haven't actually worn this one out yet. Haven't gotten the chance to. But it's really a unique style. Everybody that's seen the video on Instagram and seen the video on YouTube said, boy, it's one of them really unique ones, because everybody actually thought the glitter would be rough. It's actually very smooth, so it's not on the surface glitter. It's underneath. So it's really dope, it's really unique. If you look on the sides, the style, it's an eye catcher. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. Always check out the things, isn't it? Now, this is a subtle look. This is also Versace eyeglasses. This was the one I wore on the wedding day. If you saw the wedding video, I wore this one on the wedding day. It was specifically bought for the wedding day. It's very subtle, very clean cut, a nice vibe. You wear this when you're trying to dress classy, trying to look nice, button ups, the suits. So this is one of those vibes. All black, you know what I mean? We also have basically a similar style to it in the brown, the turquoise, and it has a more subtle Medusa head on the side, but all of them have the Medusa head on the side. This is like the leopard print, and it's very unique. It's a nice style. We like this look to have a change from that one, so this is the change out from that one if you want to go in between with eyeglasses and wearing that look and some classy looks. So this is the exchange. I always like to tell people that you always have to have more than one. If you say you're a connoisseur, you have to have more than one. So if you have this one, you need to have the change out so you can wear the two. Now this is actually a vintage sunglasses, 90s style again, Vogart. It's similar to the Versace looks. I know a lot of people say blaspheme for wearing anything that's similar to the Versace and not the Versace, but I wore this look. Is a very unique look. I really like it. Unique style. It always comes together and always show homage to the 90s. 90s is our era, 90s is the style, 90s is the shit. So you know we have to big up 90s every time, and anything 90s is crazy, you know what I mean? So big up. I was saying, this is one of the newer ones. It is like one of the gradient sunglasses. Changes down at the bottom, at the rim. And black and white full concept. I needed a black and white full concept glasses for somewhere I was going for a black and white outfit. So I just got this simple, nice fashion sunglasses, not really design or anything, but very unique. One of those things that, you know, everybody gonna be seeing it. I always like when people say, boy, that's one of them eye-catching things where conversation starters, you know what I mean? So this is one of those looks. Also, I got these clear sunglasses. I got these clear eyeglasses actually for my birthday, I think last year. It was to connect a look that we had, and we were at a hotel on vacation and stuff, so I got these clear glasses, real nice vibe. A lot of people liked it, a lot of people are shouting me out over it. In fact, my wife actually has worn it since. Anytime I say she take anything from me, I know it's really iconic, you know what I mean? So from she taking it and she start wearing it too, I know it's iconic, you know? I got this glasses. This is one of my favorite glasses, just as a fashion sunglasses, just as something to wear on an everyday basis. It's a matte black glasses, real tinted, real, you know, for those big sunny days, maybe a beach day, maybe that kind of vibe. This is one of those glasses that really can stand out. It can take the wear and tear to the everyday wear. So this would be a vibe like that, you know what I mean? Getting down into it. This, I think this is supposed to be a look-alike to the Cartiers. It wasn't really that, but it was a look-alike to the Cartiers. I think it's supposed to be. But it's a unique style for me in a more classier, dressier look. So I don't wear this every day. In fact, I haven't worn it for about a year at least. And you don't know, actually somebody will think that maybe if you're getting into this, maybe you would really want a Cartier more than just this kind of look. You know what I mean? This is a fun glasses, oval shape, pink, unique. You don't know, rock star lifestyle might not make it, them kind of style. So this is one of them looks that you can't wear this every day, obviously. But it's one of them looks that it can connect, especially if you have the right outfit for it. So this is one of those looks. Boom! You know, it's like crazy. You know what I mean? Sometimes you have to be crazy. Getting back into the whites. You don't know this is a white sunglasses, bubble eye. Then I saw Wiz wearing something like this the other day. I saw a couple of artists and a couple of designers, fashion people wearing something like this. Oval shape, very clean, very unique. People remember the outfit, and especially if you're wearing all white, it's a great look. So this is one of the looks again. Big look, you don't know, you have to check it out. Sunglasses collection live, you know what I mean? Also, this is a unique shape glasses. I don't know if you can see it easily, but it's one of those ones that is really unique with the shape. It's really dark tinted, and I like to wear these kind of looks every day. You can't wear your Versaces and the designers every day. You have to kind of take care of them, lock them down, make sure them airtight so they not get the scratches, the mold, the anything. So I wear a lot of these looks mostly every day. So this is one of them vibes there. Gold on the sides, unique shape front. Come on. And these is the last two. White and gold. I was wearing a lot of white and gold last year, white and gold concepts. So you know when you're wearing white and gold concepts, you have to have some white and gold glasses. So I had some white and gold glasses. This is the eyeglasses version. I always get something like an eyeglasses version and then get a sunglasses. So this is one of the eyeglasses version, white and gold. Clean look, clean cut, can be worn with a lot of different styles. You don't know, something like this, simple everyday. And eyeglasses to it. So this is basically like the clap back to it. The sunglasses to the eyeglasses, white and gold concept again, tinted frame. Don't know something for the day, clean look, all white party, don't know, bright summer day. So this is one of them vibes and this is kind of the end of the collection people. We've been showing out and doing a lot of collection videos. We want you to remember to like and subscribe and click the bell, yo. And make sure that every time we come out with something, you'll be able to know exactly and be notified whenever we have something new. Bless up on yourself for all the support. You don't know it's Lord High, the dads from the Dad's Life YouTube channel. You don't know the real yardy them. You don't know respect to all the yardy youth them and all the Jamaican vloggers, YouTubers. Big up every time. You see?
Cause this is the life of a dads. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What? The life of dads. Yeah, this is the life of a dad. Tell him. I'm a father in the game like a dad. And I'ma show you the ropes like your dad. What the life of hello, dads. Sons and daughters, I'm your long lost father. This is what I do, let me show you my artwork. You gotta love it, if you a hater, it's torture. Soon as I get my fame, my aim touch them all first. Cause I'm fresh like I came up out the water. Yeah. Not fishing, not swimming. Been out of control since I came up on the riches now. Just my cologne get me 7 lit.